Hi everybody, it is Kim and my husband Joseph, and then I got my rowdy kids, and we got this Christmas light connecting box thing. Where's the box, huh? And we got it from our father-in-law, and it's a illuminating, I picked that up before it blows away. Put it in the kitchen, Brayden. Illuminating LED light wizard, and it creates light shows instantly. It's like, sorry for the wind, guys. Ah, it is. Oh my gosh, I was blown away there. It's what is this? 4 ports, transform up to 800 or 8,000 LED lights. Instantly upgrades ordinary LED lights into dazzling light shows. I look like crap, I'm sorry, y'all. It says plug in and play and enjoy. There's 10 dazzling motion effects, energy saving 4, 6, or 8 hour timer, and it comes with a remote. So you can get these at Walmart. And this is the different motion effects. So there's that, and then my husband got more lights. I'm gonna put this somewhere. Oh my gosh, I got stick between my legs. So it's just our lights, our front. We're still working out. Hi, Jack. What's up, Jack? Cool. And then just a part of our yard. Sorry about the wind, guys. So what we did was we cut the pallet and straight and green off the first one, and then we put the sides back to back and made a second tree. It's in your room, baby. And that actually connects to the like plugs and the teeter totters. You unplugged it. You unplugged it. Oh, we can't plug it in. Oh yeah, we can. Yeah, you said you unplugged it.
Why aren't you working on it?
Don't know. Not sure. What are these ones connected to? So this will be what it, this will be what it looks like. I have it all connected, and you're gonna have like a power source block right there plugged into just a extension cord, and then you got to individually plug them all in. There's 4 ports. So jacks on it, our lights, and our little green lights. We use those for Halloween lights, but then our bush is literally covered in lights. Everything's all connected and covered, except the snowman for Santa. Yeah, Black Panther.
That's for Christmas.
You got that. Reese's Puffs. You want some?
Yeah, Mama, can I
Is
eat?
it cereal in a bag?
Can I eat all this?
That's good. It's like peanut butter cups. So my husband right now is just figuring out some things.
And they're on. Fantastic.
What about those other strand of lights?
I'll get to that.
This video's making you look redder than you usually are. It worked. They're on the motion sensor, so. Now watch out, guys.
Oh my goodness. Give my goodies. Give my goodies. Give my goodies back.
Very nicely. Very nicely.
Give my
on the street. So we'll have a garland. We'll finish these and then we'll put fake bows. Oh, which we should have got those. Go to like the Dollar Tree and go get like bows. And then motion sensor will be on the window and it says let us know. Oh honey, the garland fell off. Please. There we go. That works. And then we'll just lay that there until we get more garland. Or you can just, because it goes all the way here to the edge, and then it wraps all the way around to the end of it. It goes back into the trees. Very nice. Work it, baby. You can't plug them in?
They're drawing some current.
Okay, we can always put those in the house. Yeah, there's only about, you're allowed to have like 60 watt currents allowed on that modem thingy port. So if you over exceed it, then you blow a fuse and nothing will work. I can go and find some thumbtacks. He lost his nose in our what's he call it? Our move. Sorry y'all, this wind is just going nuts. What's up, Jack? My hair's gone crazy.
Oh.
Oh, you okay?
Yeah, that one's in the water.
Oh shit. He's already ruining the
Give me
lights.
a pair of pliers, please.
I gotta get a pair of pliers. Needle nose?
They don't matter.
Okay. Alright. He needs pliers, but I think needle nose will do better. He thumbtacked, not thumbtacked, stapled, attack through the wiring. Oh, that'd be bad. Can you guys not go on the road, please? Come on. Stay on this side. Did you run out? I would bring it down a little bit more.
What?
You pay for it.
It's not a heavy duty stapler. It's not really meant for all of this.
I know. Say it says right here. Maximum load for each port shall not exceed 60 watts. So this is all the information. Like I said, you can get these at Walmart. Bars 2 AAA batteries sold separately. Rated wattage 240. Actual item, may vary slightly from photo. So. Need to find a new greetings thingy. Need a Christmas one. So did you decide what we're gonna do for dinner?
Now, where did that shit go back up?
I don't know. The set that's ran here and it runs all the way out there to the rest of the stuff out there. Read the instructions. Didn't it come with the manual? Like, what if it rains? We need something to cover it when it rains. Okay, you got it back working now. I just love my lights. And then when you walk right under those. Hey, little man. Dude, why are your pants so short?
I don't know.
You're wearing your sister's pajamas.
No.
Really?
No.
It looks like it.
No. You gave me these pants.
I put pajamas on you last night, but they weren't those.
I wear them last night. Yes, I did.
They were maroon color. Honey, you don't lose it. Don't need it flying around. Get it? Hurry up. Alright, you gotta throw it away, baby. Go throw it away so it doesn't blow away and dirty up the... Okay. Nope. I don't know if these will work. I found them in your mouse. Some of these right here, they already have a flashing bulb on them, so that's why. So we are having problems with that. The lights keep going out for some reason. Like, we'll be on for a good 15 minutes and then they just stop working. We're not too sure. We're still trying to read the manual and figure things out. So, I don't know, maybe there might be too much on it. Not too sure. So you got these ones on a different one? Yeah, it looks like it. He has these on an extension cord. He'll probably just run it to the house. Ow.
Where? Stacking. Sparkle. Crosswave.
Crosswave. Oh, they're still on, but they just blinked differently.
Alternating.
Oh, okay.
Combo.
So it was like alternating combo.
All, so we'll just keep them.
I like the third one.
Alright, that's off. Steady glow. Let's speed fade. Chasing.
I like that one.
And then that's the chasing. So we'll leave it at that for now.
Chase the lights.
And then when it gets dark, we'll come back out and look at them again.
Okay. And So that's my cue. So while he finishes up with the lights, you guys will see the after effect at night of... Alright everybody, we are out here. It's still windy as hell. I'm gonna show you what we have so far and how everything's at. Because it's light. This does it a little bit justice on the camera, but it's actually a little bit darker than this. Let me flip my phone around and I'll show you guys what everything looks like. So we have the front and just the peak on the sensor. Where's your honey? Nah. See the seesaw? And this lights up. And the projector is a little bit hard to see, but it will start showing up once it's a little bit darker. Oh, yeah, that's pretty much it. And I think we need to adjust the projector a bit. I think we need to adjust the projector a bit. I just don't know where it's gonna... I had this for like 2 years, maybe. Is that like right in the middle? Let's go across the street, yeah. What happened to my snowman? Jack Skellington. Yeah, that sounds about right. Alright everybody, it's the end of the video and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I already had a video posted up today from yesterday's, and today's video I'll be posting up tonight. And yeah, get that projector at Walmart. You can't go wrong with it. But it works and everything. I like it. Thanks to my father-in-law. So yeah. Alright, catch you guys on the next video. Bye.